Hello, my name is Rez, and I'm a professional game programmer, and I do electrical engineering as a hobby, and we're in day 9. So while I feel like I'm being trolled by this calendar, I'm still going to keep trying to guess, I suppose. We need to get that transistor at some point. So I think that might be where we're at, because 10 looks like it might be either processor or the wheel, although that could be 16, which is quite large. So anyway, 9. I'm going to go with transistor or resistor. One of the two. It's resistor. I'm going to count that as right. That's a smaller resistor. Yeah, this is a smaller resistor. This looks like a 470. So is it going to talk about brighter lights or faster things? Let's see. Light switches light. Okay, so they're going to have this guy light this guy. So the 470 ohm resistor is the 9th compartment. This will be used to create 2 independent circuits, one with the white LED and one with the flashing red LED and phototransistor. If you push the button, the white LED comes on and the red LED starts to flash at the same time. Oh, I see. Okay. To do this, the white LED and the phototransistor must be angled together. So basically what they're doing is they're showing us the sensor working and allowing us to actually create that piece. Okay, so this switch is going to be hooked up to the 470, which is this guy. I'm going to hook this up slightly differently, but that's all right. So 470 comes from here to the regular LED, which is this guy. Okay, so that should hook up there. Now this is going to be brighter than what we've seen so far. And we'll set up this other guy over here. I think that's right. This is going to be here. And then here's our flashy guy. Just going to be here. Okay, so who knows if I hooked this up correctly, but we'll find out. Yeah, so that's going to turn that on. That's quite bright. If I angle these towards each other, kind of create a little thing. Oh, that's not working. Oh, I think I've switched these. 1 second. Let me look at the pinout of this thing. Yeah, I switched these. I'm so used to this being done differently. There we go. So now you're flashing. Now I have to it's going to flash because I have these bright overhead lights. So I'm going to turn off the light very briefly. So that turns everything off. Now you probably don't see anything at all, but you'll see it when I turn that on. And there we go. So if I turn it off, there's nothing. There's no flashing happening here. If I turn it on, then you can see that now it's flashing. So that's what they wanted me to do. Watch your eyes because I'm about to turn the light back on. So that's the idea. If I can cover this will make it a little better if I cover this and then try and shoot this. If I turn this on, right, I'm just hitting the switch and doing it. So that's how this works. So all I'm doing is using the light of this LED. Now I talked about this in the technical video yesterday. I talked about optocouplers. We've kind of created a little open optocoupler. So that's it. We'll see. We're finishing our basic idea of this sensor. I'm curious what we'll have tomorrow.